Samsung's upcoming Galaxy S25 Edge is generating a lot of buzz, and recent leaks suggest it might be even more impressive than expected. One of the biggest surprises is its display. According to a leak from Ice Universe on Weibo, this ultra-thin smartphone will feature a 2K resolution screen, likely the same 1440x3120 panel used in the Galaxy S25 Plus. This is unexpected because earlier reports suggested Samsung might go with a lower Full HD Plus resolution to help improve battery life. Since the Galaxy S25 Edge is designed to be extremely thin, some concerns remain about its battery performance. A higher resolution display typically consumes more power, and many assume Samsung would lower the resolution to extend battery life. However, if the company is confident that the phone can maintain all-day battery life, even with a 1440p screen, that's a great sign for potential buyers. Some users argue that the difference between Quad HD and Full HD Plus isn't very noticeable in daily use, so those who prioritize battery life may not be too concerned. Still, having a sharper display on such a slim device is an exciting feature that will appeal to those who want the best screen quality. Another exciting detail from the latest leaks is that the Galaxy S25 Edge will have a titanium alloy midframe, just like the Galaxy S25 Ultra. This material not only makes the phone more durable, but also adds a premium feel while keeping it lightweight. It is expected to launch in 3 color options: titanium icy blue, titanium silver, and titanium jet black. Under the hood, the phone will be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, the same chip used across the entire S25 lineup. With 12 gigabytes of RAM, users can expect smooth multitasking and fast performance. The 6.7-inch AMOLED display will also support a 120Hz refresh rate, making scrolling and animations feel incredibly smooth. The camera setup is another key highlight. Despite its ultra-thin design, the Galaxy S25 Edge is expected to feature a powerful 200-megapixel main sensor, the same one found in the Galaxy S25 Ultra. This should deliver high-quality photos, even if the overall camera system isn't as advanced as the Ultra model. However, to keep the phone as slim as possible, Samsung has reportedly removed the dedicated telephoto lens. Instead, the phone will rely on software-based zoom enhancements. While a physical telephoto lens would have provided better optical zoom, Samsung's computational photography has improved significantly, so the difference may not be as noticeable for most users. The Galaxy S25 Edge is also expected to come with an IP68 rating, making it resistant to dust and water. This means users can enjoy a sleek and stylish device without worrying about durability. With its high-resolution display, premium design, and powerful processor, the Galaxy S25 Edge is shaping up to be an attractive choice for those who want a flagship smartphone with a slim profile. However, questions remain about its battery life and whether software-based zoom can truly replace a dedicated telephoto lens. What do you think about the Galaxy S25 Edge? Does the lack of a telephoto camera affect your interest, or is the ultra-thin design more important? Share your thoughts in the comments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.